What's up, guys? This is Masada. I got a free gift for you guys. This is just a quick demo of it. It's the free kit 3. You can go to psychokit.com, download it. It's completely free, like as I said. All right, so we're just going to go through here. So this kit is for my supporters as a thank you, or anybody who's just curious about what is a Psycho Kit. Most other kits are just one shots. There's nothing wrong with that. We've been doing that forever. But my kits are different. I give you different articulations. So case in point, right? So say I tap here on this pad. See, every time I'm tapping the pad, I get a different articulation, sounding more like a real drum, or even that snare there. I'm getting different articulations. You know what I mean? So listen to that rim shot. Okay. See, as you see, listen, I'm getting a different articulation. So this kit is out for free. That was a quick demo. Go to the psychokit.com, cop it. No tricks. This is a thank you to all my supporters. And hey, and while you're on the site, if you want to buy something, help your boy out. Support your boy like I support you. I appreciate it. I don't take anything for granted. I know you could be spending your money on anybody else, but those of you who decide to, support me, I appreciate it. I take the money and I use it to invest back into the company and back into making more quality products for you guys. Thank you very much. I love y'all.